Meter training video number 1, how to use the meter. Welcome to Trout Unlimited's water quality monitoring program. This is a training video for testing water quality in local streams and rivers in West Virginia and in Virginia. The program, created by Trout Unlimited, is working in partnership with the West Virginia Rivers Coalition and the West Virginia and Virginia Councils of Trout Unlimited. We are training a network of volunteer stream stewards to monitor streams for impacts related to shale gas development in West Virginia and in Virginia. By collecting water quality data on a regular basis, TU members and other volunteers act as the local eyes and ears on the ground and become acutely aware of possible impacts to their local streams. The data collected through Trout Unlimited's water quality monitoring program is a useful tool in monitoring shale gas development. It can demonstrate immediate impacts from gas drilling and can capture long-term changes in stream conditions over time. This video is meant to be used as a companion to Trout Unlimited's West Virginia and Virginia Water Quality Monitoring Program training manual. This is the first of 3 videos in the series. This will serve as an additional resource to the Water Quality Monitoring Training Program and Manual. This video will show you how to use and calibrate your Lamont Tracer Pocket Tester and how to measure conductivity. It will also provide you with general tips on how to care for the meter. Before you can measure conductivity, you will need to calibrate your meter. The first step in monitoring water quality is calibrating your meter. Calibrating the meter is important to ensure that the data you are collecting is accurate. It's best to calibrate your meter at home or while getting ready in your car before going out into the field. When you calibrate your meter, document your latest calibration information and date in your monitoring notebook. This provides a good reference for the validity of your data and reminds you when it's time to calibrate your meter again. Most Cold Water Conservation Corps members collect water quality data on a bi-weekly basis and calibrate their meters each month. A general rule would be to calibrate your meter every other time you use it. If you're monitoring more than every 2 weeks, you should calibrate your meter more often. Now it's time to calibrate your meter. Fill the sample cup provided with your meter with 20 milliliters of 1413 microsiemens conductivity standard solution. Start the calibration process by pressing the on-off button and turning on your Lamont Tracer Pocket Tester. The meter has 3 modes. The conductivity mode is represented by the symbols mu, or microsiemens, and S on the screen. The other 2 modes, which we will not use, are total dissolved solids, designated by parts per million, and also the salinity mode, designated by a capital S. In order for the meter to calibrate, it must be in the conductivity mode. Looking at the screen, verify that the microsiemens is displayed in the middle of your screen. This is the symbol that looks like US. If US is still not displayed at the top of the screen, press and hold the Mode button until the symbol display changes. Once the meter's in calibration mode, remove the cap at the bottom of the meter, covering the electrodes, and submerge the electrodes into the 1413 microsiemens per centimeter conductivity standard. For the next step, it's important for you to pay close attention to the meter screen. Look at the screen and press and hold the Cal button for approximately 3 seconds. The word Cal will appear at the bottom of your screen, and the number 1413 will flash in the middle of your screen. The meter will recognize and automatically calibrate to the 1413 microsiemens conductivity standard. The meter is calibrated when the number 1413 stops flashing, and the term SA and END appear briefly in the middle of the screen. The term SA will not appear if the calibration has failed. After successfully calibrating your meter, thoroughly rinse the electrodes with distilled water, shake dry, place the cap over the electrodes, and turn the meter off. Now your meter should be calibrated. It's always a good idea to document your calibration. Write the date, time, and name of the person who calibrated the meter in your logbook. You can now head to the stream and begin monitoring. There are 2 additional videos in this series that will help you as you monitor water quality. The next video, How to Collect Water Quality Data in the Field, will further explain how to use the meter to test samples at your stream monitoring location, as well as the process for collecting different water quality measurements. The third and final video, How to Properly Collect Quality Assurance and Quality Control Samples, will help you understand the importance of the collection process. Thank you for participating in Trout Unlimited's West Virginia, Virginia Quality Monitoring Program.